Let's go ahead and, oh gosh. I'm not used to using this gimbal. Give me a second. What's up, guys? Mr. Lucky Moto here. As you guys can tell, it is a little bit cold out today. So we're just gonna be working on the F4i today. Nothing too crazy. It's just gonna be some basic maintenance. I don't have any of the big parts for this thing yet. So we're just gonna go ahead and do like basic maintenance. I want to see, here, I'll show it. Let me show you guys. If you guys can see right here, I don't know if you can tell, but there is, the radiator is kind of a little messed up. I've got a guy that says that he'll directly swap radiators with me. But so I'm not 100% sure if he wants money for his or what, but we're gonna go ahead, see if this thing will even hold coolant. If it holds coolant, I feel like it should it'll at least cool the bike off. That's the main thing I'm concerned about. Do that, and then after doing that, oh gosh, I've got a list on my phone. See if the bike has coolant. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and straighten the forks out because as I've shown you guys before, oh gosh. I also, the GoPro screen turned off, so okay, there we go. So, but as you guys can see, if the forks are straight, the wheel is not in line with them. So anyways, just try that. Try and see if we can do that. I want to adjust the clip-ons. I think I might bring them back a little bit just because they're like so, what's the word? Also, I'm using this gimbal. I got this years ago for my GoPro, but I've never used it. So I'm trying it out. We'll see how it works. I'm mostly wanting to use it as a stand, but we'll see how it works. So far I'm kind of liking not having to hold like a 2-inch little camera, but you never know. But yeah, just some basic maintenance on this stuff. And in general, I want to see if I can just get this thing to run better. I'm going to start it up and let it run a little bit more. See if there are any hiccups or anything. I'm probably going to, before the riding season starts and all that, probably going to take everything off, change spark plugs and all that stuff, obviously. It's kind of stuff that you should change every once in a while, but just do like all the basic maintenance on this thing. But yeah, so anyways, I'm going to set you guys up and I'm going to get started with the coolant. See if there's anything in there. Oh yeah, another thing I'll probably just do for the heck of it is do a little bit of wire management. As if you guys can't tell, it's kind of a kerfuffle fuck. All right, I'm going to say that is a Phillips. Jokes on you. You thought I was gonna say a screwdriver, or not a screwdriver. So you just thought I was gonna say a bolt size. Haha. Guess what? You was wrong. Actually, that socket does actually work. So screw it. The socket will be much easier and much faster. Let's see, I'm probably gonna have to go and find myself a bigger screwdriver, but I mean, it's coming out. That's what she said. All right, well, I'm gonna go grab that screwdriver. Tiny bastard. Well, life gives you a long ass screwdriver. You try and use it somehow. In my car, broom broom. Oh shit! It's everywhere. Oh shit! Did you guys get wet? No, you guys are good. Okay. I think I'll grab my bag real quick and then I'll show you guys what happened. Yeah, when I say it got everywhere, I mean it got everywhere. It's just like, so that right there, that's where I was standing. And it just yeeted itself over here. And yes, I'm using the same pan that I dumped my oil into. Don't judge me. I mean, what's the absolute worst that's gonna happen? See, you see this right here? This guy? Yeah, I'm gonna try and hammer that in. It's odd long shape. It's not a rounded circle. It goes like that and it beat. So we're gonna go ahead and see if tapping it with a hammer will fix it. Well, I don't think that's gonna work. I accidentally hit the button to stop the video. What I was gonna say is I was gonna hook this hose back up and then pour the coolant in and see where we at after that. If I was a good moto vlogger, I would know how to work this thing. I don't know how to work a gimbal. See, it's woo 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 woo. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop the video. You guys saw how I put this on, just the exact opposite of that, and I'll catch you guys later. Screw it. Innovation. You guys see these angles?
I'm very innovative, as you see. I am what they call a content creator, not a content follower. You must create the content as a content creator, not follow the content.
My fingers are weak as fuck. Alright, well, since the last clip that you guys saw, I went ahead and oh gosh, my gimbal, go down. Alright, since the last clip you guys saw, I went ahead and I hooked all this up. I got the rest of the coolant filled up. The radiator, so far, it seems to be holding. There's just a little bit of liquid over there from spillage, but... So I've got it all filled up. I'm going to start it and all that stuff. I also went ahead and threw some fresh gas in, hooked up the battery. I got all that taken care of because I knew this thing needed new gas anyways. It's so freaking old, and the gas in there was like, there was so little gas. Well, it's gonna be a shame if the battery's dead. I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute and see if that fixes it, but until then, this is annoying. I literally had this thing on the charger before I came here, so. Or I should say like a few days ago. I don't know. Maybe I'm not that responsible. Well, hey. Kinda worked. Come on, you can idle. Well, that scared me a little bit. I was like, give a little pop, and I was like, whoa! Woohoo! The shivery timbers. She's running, but we have ourselves a problem. All right, so the problem is, excuse me, gimbal, it's leaking out of the cap. You see, it's literally dripping right in front of us. Please go down, sir, go down. Thank you. You see, it's literally leaking. Should probably move this so it's not just leaking onto the rack, but it's leaking from the cap. Once you got her little hiccups out of the way, it's like, she's running good, honestly. I'm kind of surprised. But I was thinking I was going to have to put a little bit more work into the bike, but no, it looks like she's going to make it easy for me. I probably just jinxed myself. But anyways, I'm going to just go ahead and start messing with these clip-ons, and I'll get you guys in a little bit. So got this bolt loosened up right here. I'm leaving the clip-ons and the top triple, I'm leaving that tight so that way I still have something to push on. And so I went ahead and I loosened up this this lower triple, loosened up these. I loosened up these over here on both sides. I also took this big axle nut right here. Took this big axle nut and I loosened it. So anyways, now comes the real test when I like bounce up and down. Well, I tried my best, but it's like, yeah, it's still not straight, unfortunately. I think it's a little bit straighter. It's like, from this angle, from the camera angle, it still looks like it's pretty straight, but in person, if you look down, it's kind of off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Got a few things done on the bike. What the hell was that? I got a few things done on the bike. I got you guys saw the video. You guys know what I got done. What wasn't really much off camera. I tried realigning it again because I watched the video again and it said start from the top right here. Show you guys once again. It is not straight. I really wish it was. I might try something else later. I'm gonna do some research when I get home, but oh my gosh, gimbal. I'm sure this is making the footage so smooth, so much smoother, but it is making it so much harder to film. But yeah, so I'm gonna do some research when I get home, see if I can figure this out, and yeah. So, anyways, if you guys like the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells. Also, I never said this in a video. Thank you guys so much for 200 subs. I really appreciate it. Means the world to me seeing that you guys are actually enjoying the content. But anyways, the big things to come 2024. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.